back to my YouTube channel. And today we'll be making slime, mystery slime. So how we're going to do this, we're going to do rock, paper, scissors. Say if
Who goes first?
Say if we get this magical liquid, or if we got baking soda and warm water. So rock, paper, scissors, who goes first? 1 minute. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ooh, okay.
I picked
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. No! Okay, let me mix this. Pick something. No, one. Okay, I'll tell you what it is.
Okay, let me open it.
Okay, we can't use this because it's magical liquid, so you got no round because you have to do glue first.
No, I can use it.
No, you can't.
No.
Okay.
Glue. Please, can I just use it?
Pink glitter glue! It's okay, Susie. You could use some after the video is done.
What?
Pink glitter glue.
This has to screw. James, don't screw it up, please.
It's mine.
Please no. What is that? But I'm supposed to screw some too.
No, I'm sorry. We could do a switch up.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna light a switch up real quick. I'm gonna prank her on the next video when we do blindfolded, and I'm gonna put some horrible stuff in it. So, next video will come soon. Okay, so I'm gonna mix it up, and how about we do a blindfold one after this? You want to? No, do you want to do a one that's blindfolded, make it slime? Okay, do you want that one? Yeah. Okay.
I'm really.
Orbeez. So I'm gonna pause the video and put some Orbeez in this. So that's mine, and then that's hers. Now it is my turn. Okay, here we go. Let's do this. Come on. Clear glue. White glue. Oh my.
It's this one.
No, it's this one. I put Elmer's. Wait, did I? Okay, so now I'm going to put some white glue in.
With that beautiful.
Uh-oh.
It looks
I need to
kind
go pop this open. Okay, I got it open, so let's just... No! I did not know it was coming out that fast.
You should have squared it.
Hurry up, hurry up. Okay, you got it?
Where's the big slime? I want
Okay.
pink slime. James, stop.
Wait.
You ready?
White glue! Wait, does it say Elmer's? No, I just got this, so it says Elmer white glue, so... These three, hurry up, we don't got
What
time.
is this?
It can't be liquid yet. White glue, Elmer's glue! Yes, I'm safe. Pour only a little, okay?
Okay.
Only a little. Only a little.
There we go.
No, a little more. Wait, here. Okay. So. Okay, my turn.
If I don't get pink slime,
Magical liquid, yes!
at the end of the video, I'm going to get magical liquid too.
Oh, no, you only can get that now. You can only... So, we're going to give it to her. So, it's baking soda. Maybe a little more.
Can I mix
No, not yet. Not yet.
it? Why?
The only things left is white glue and powder.
But you said I can put pink
Pink
glue.
glitter! It's gonna be okay.
I'm going to get all the stuff you got in the
You're gonna get blue, of course.
what? This
then-
blue?
And now it's down to...
2 more.
Um,
I did.
you can get switch up. Okay, my turn.
Switch up. What is it?
And now I saw it. No, I saw it. So
Switch
I
up.
had to do it again, okay?
It's switch up.
Okay, let's see what this is. This, I already have that pink glitter.
No, it's switch up.
Bacon! Oh, that's already out. Why am I saying bacon? Wait, this is switch up.
Mine didn't melt.
This is...
Can I mix it?
No, we each get clear glue.
Okay.
Okay,
It'll
so
be really fun.
don't. I will.
Give me. Now can I mix
And
it?
we'll.
Can you mix it?
Yeah, we're gonna mix it until it's done. 3, 2, 1. Reveal in 3, 2, 1. Okay. There we go. Mine is like a pink, stretchy.
Mine? Mine,
Is
I don't
like
know what it's called.
beautiful. I had to help Riley make hers because hers is like kind of fell.
Yeah.
Mine is beautiful though. Riley, oh my god, yours is such a mess.
I know, I told
Okay,
you.
so if you guys thought I won pink, pink glitter glue, say hashtag something. What do you think?
Hashtag where we took over my whole entire slime.
Yeah.
Because it did.